some of the security devices that we use on top of the intruder alarm and the tracking device. But first I need to turn this seat round. I'll put you down for just a minute. I just had to turn the seat round. What I've got here is I turned the seat round on the swivel base, and then I've just drilled a hole here and got this padlock. I've not really thought this through at all because it's super hard to do everything with one hand whilst I hold the camera, but you get the idea. If I just do that, I normally do this outside, standing outside, but anyway, that just pops through, and I normally use two hands. Get in there, that's it. So that stops the seat from turning. Obviously it's not impossible but quite difficult to drive a van and the seat's faced the wrong way. Not happy with that. What I also do is I put this motorcycle chain round the steering wheel. We don't live in a bad area, but you just never know. And I get this other padlock. And I need to again find the right one key. If you want to go and make a cup of tea whilst I find the right key, go for it, because I'm not having much luck here. I thought it was that one. Sure it's that one. Right. Well, this is going well. Tune in next week for how to put a key in a padlock. Is it that one? That's that one. Here we go. Okay, so sometime later the padlock's on, the seat's facing the wrong way, and that padlock is on. So that is some of the security that we have on the van as well. Just to let you have a look at that. Okay, onto the bed now.